70th National Conference of IAPM and IAP-ID, APCON 2022 is being organized by KCIAPM Karnataka, Chapter IAPM at MS Ramaiah Medical College, Bengaluru from 30th Nav to December 4th 2022. As a part of pre-conference event, Aster Reference Lab in collaboration with IAPM and IAP-ID is conducting a workshop on immunohistochemistry titled The Blues and Browns Hands-on Workshop, IHC and Solid Tissue Fish.
If you watch your background will be reducing that. So after that we'll be adding.
Okay, now we are having the annual conference of the Association of Pathologists and Microbiologists of India, which is being held at MS Ramaiah Medical College. And APCON 2022 is preceded by a hands-on workshop which is held on 30th of November, that is today. And at Aster Labs we are organizing one of the hands-on workshop on a very important facet of histopathology diagnosis, that is on immunohistochemistry and FISH, of fluorescent in situ hybridization. Today the role of a diagnostic pathologist is beyond that just diagnosing a case. It is also to give a comment on the prognosis or outcome of the disease, as well as prognosticate. That is, what is the treatment to be followed. For that we need specialized tests, and that is the high-end test is immunohistochemistry and FISH. And very few labs in the country are doing these technologies, and that is where we are training both the resident pathologists as well as practicing pathologists who are participating in today's hands-on workshop out here, and it will be beneficial to the entire community.
So I'm Dr. Vidya. I head the Department of Histopathology and Cytopathology at Aster Reference Lab, Bangalore, and I also take care of the Department of Cytogenetics. Today, that is November 30th, 2022, we are organizing the pre-conference workshop on immunohistochemistry and solid tissue fish. This is part of the APCON 2022. APCON is generally the national conference which occurs once a year, as where almost all the pathologists across the country gather around in one place for academic deliberations. So this includes postgraduate students as well as practicing pathologists. From junior to senior, everyone is there. International faculty are invited, and this is the first post-COVID face-to-face meeting of APCON 2022 that is being held at MS Ramaiah Hospital and Medical College, Bangalore. So here the KCIAPM, that is a Karnataka chapter of IAPM, has taken up the ownership of organizing the conference entirely. So this will be a 3-4 day affair, where the first day will be IAP-ID and the next 3 days will be the APCON National Conference, where the PGs can present papers, posters, and we also have a few quiz competitions, etc. that happens. And also the latest updates, especially in the field of oncopathology, infectious diseases, all these are dealt with. So at Aster Reference Lab, we are proud to organize this pre-conference workshop because the Department of Histopathology and Cytogenetics deals with a lot of high volume loads, which is across the country and also few outside India as well, where we handle the samples, and our pathologists are well aware and they are well versed in oncopathology reporting. So we deal with a lot of cancer cases, and IHC and solid tissue fish actually helps us in diagnosing these cancers and also adding therapeutic benefit to the treating medical oncologists, especially so for breast cancers, lung cancers, colorectal cancers. So these are few high-end tests, and the pathologist who is there at the end of the day reporting these should be aware of what are the nuances which go into preparation of these slides and interpretation, because finally we are looking at an accurate report for the patient, because the treatment is going to really depend on what we are going to give out over there. And at the same time, the medical oncologist should have the confidence, yes, this report is coming out of this lab and it is accurate. That is what they would want to know. And here we have a state-of-the-art infrastructure in terms of the equipments as well as trained manpower, along with digital pathology and image analysis, which are helping us in reducing the inter-observer variations on a lot of aspects. So today's workshop will definitely help the practicing pathologists as well as the postgraduates on what exactly they are doing, what they are going to learn, and they can practice it in their own labs in a better manner than what they are doing already. So we are going to deal today with them experimenting on the slides that we are going to give, and also on the troubleshoot that we are going to teach them, so that they are well aware and they practice better.